In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on your PC. Whether you're navigating through your desktop or leveraging your Meta hardware, we're going to cover all the steps you need to get started smoothly. So let's dive right in and explore the different ways you can access and use Meta AI from your computer. First up, one of the simplest methods to harness the power of Meta AI is by using the web-based version. This version is specifically optimized for desktop use, allowing you to access all the functionalities you may need right from your browser. This is a straightforward way to utilize Meta AI, especially if you prefer not to install additional software on your device. If you prefer an app-based experience, you can also download the Meta AI desktop app. To do this, visit a trusted third-party provider such as Web Catalog. It's important here to ensure that you're downloading from a safe and reputable source to protect your device from any potential security risks. Once downloaded, the app provides a seamless interface to access Meta AI, integrating fully into your desktop environment. For those of you who are already using Meta apps such as WhatsApp or Instagram, good news. You have the option to integrate Meta AI directly within these applications. Simply mention Meta AI in a chat on these platforms, and you'll be able to access its features without any additional setup. This makes for a very smooth, convenient user experience, allowing you to switch between conversations while having the AI at your fingertips. Another fantastic way to enjoy a more immersive experience with Meta AI is by using MetaQuest hardware. If you own MetaQuest equipment, you can connect it to your PC using the MetaQuest Link app. This connection allows you to fully explore all the capabilities of Meta AI in an integrated virtual reality environment. It's a really exciting way to engage with the AI, opening doors to a multitude of interactive possibilities. To wrap it up, using Meta AI on your PC can be as simple or as sophisticated as you need it to be, thanks to the variety of access points available. Whether you're opting for a web-based approach, looking to install an app, leveraging it through existing Meta apps, or exploring the advanced features on MetaQuest hardware, the key is finding the method that best suits your needs and preferences. That brings us to the end of our tutorial today. I hope you found these guidelines helpful and are excited to start using Meta AI on your PC, making the most out of its advanced capabilities. Thank you for joining us, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or experiences to share. See you next time.